What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got another awesome, I want to say freebie, but by the time I did this video, it was free. I don't know if it's going to be free by the time it gets to you. This is Friday's video, and I got two watch faces coming for you, this one and another one, so just check it out, right? With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now, I chose this one because I thought it was different, I thought it was nice, I thought it was a fun watch face to wear over a casual weekend, especially if you're going to be dressing down. Now, the name of the watch face is called Fugitive Speed 1 Smart Background. I'm liking the look. I like the design. I do love the layout of this watch face. Definitely different from most watch faces that you're going to see in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the AOD mode, it is going to look nice for the Gear 3 and the Gears 2, but more so when the watch face is on. I like the design. I like the look. Everything about this watch face pops. I like the colors, I like the placement of the dials and all the information. This guy pretty much thought of everything, but he definitely brought a fresh watch face to the table. Now, he has a few dials that you can tap into, right? Now, up at the top, you are going to get your step information. Down in the dial at the bottom, you are going to get your calories burned info. And over to the left, you will get the day of the week. So I'm liking the gauge. I like the stylish analog hands. And on top of it, you will get the best of both worlds, because right here, you will get your digital time. Now, right up over it, you are going to get your date as well. That's important to most people. And also down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery info. So the guy thought of everything, and he is giving you everything. And again, I like the uniqueness of the watch face, because you have a few numbers right here that just really adds a little bit of character to the watch face. And it is interactive. With a single tap, I can go into, of course, my step status info, calories burned, also my steps. And over here, I can go into my calendar and set an event. Now, you can customize the color theme of the watch face by double tapping, which I thought was awesome as well. You can go through many different color themes, and he gives you a lot, quite a bit. Just choose which one fits you for the weekend or for the work week, and you're all good. So at the end of the day, tell me, people, what do you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.